Cellulosic material explosive we have seen pressure. You are not using any air compressor, no. Compressed nothing. One we have seen, that is we have already done it. Difference at height. What is the height, maximum height you are going to work? Any elevated platform, any pipe rack, nothing. Sure, no? I remove it.
Remove this. Even the excavation is 1 meter.
1 meter. So I remove it, right?
Yeah.
Let praise come because he may have something. Otherwise, he will ask something. This will finish in 1 hour. It will finish in 1 hour.
Because this only one activity, that other activities are very different. The fence,
Yes.
and the road work is also very small. This is the last.
And did you receive the CEMP? Ashish has showed the explanation.
I received, but I need to
just for that. Because I don't want to put any additional information what is not relevant to you.
Yeah.
So once you verify it, you just strike off and we'll remove it.
So tomorrow?
Yeah. Tomorrow what we are working tomorrow also. No? We have the hidden invite tomorrow.
Yeah.
But CMP you can do. When we will finish
CMP also in the
no. So we'll prepare it, send it to you, and just check it. Which is not relevant, just strike off.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not applicable, but let Paresh come. This is also not applicable. Overhead equipment. Are you going to use any crane, forklift? Any crane for lifting?
No.
No lifting. So this is also not applicable. Personal underwater, there is no water below grade. Any less than 1 meter? Any excavation? Any excavation less than 1 meter? Any you are going to make any?
1 meter excavation, cutting.
But there is not confined space.
No, it's not there. This is a very huge area.
What is the depth you are going to do?
Some areas 1 meter, some areas 50 cm. We use for the level.
What is the maximum depth?
Maximum
Depth.
1 meter, 1 meter.
More than 1 meter?
Yeah. 30 is only that.
But this is not confined space.
No, not confined. Because it's a very
very wide open area. There is no toxic gas, nothing. And you have the shoring, benching, everything will be there. And this will be applicable. Transportation. How many people you are going to transport every day? How many people?
To the site?
To the site from your camp?
Around 50-60 people to the site.
Yeah.
And the other area, because the drive is going to from the bar pit. So the total manpower is 200.
Yeah. So we were discussing about this one.
Hydraulic oil?
Hydraulic oil, this is very less quantity. Because hydraulic oil is a vehicle, only.
In the vehicle only.
Right? In the vehicle only.
Yeah. There won't be one leakage, but you have the spill or something is there. Suppose there is leakage. Suppose there is a leak somewhere in the hydraulic oil somewhere out the ground. The drip tray we can handle this. Normally, once it leaks, it will go on the ground, right? Immediately. That is very minor within the.
Like the quantity will not be like
no, I'm saying it will be 1 or 2 liters, but you have the spill kit or something. Normally, you have the spill kit is something is there, right?
So let us put it.
Spill kit also. We put spill kit something in that.
Yeah, let us put it.
Yeah, because that will be governed. Yeah.
Hydraulic oil.
Hydraulic oil leak from the vehicles. From the machinery. From the machinery or vehicle.
Only compactors. That is your LOC. Number leak.
Actually, mostly it is environmental impact.
Yeah,
localized environmental impact, nothing else.
Vehicle. Open is LOC and soil contamination.
Soil contamination. That's all.